Good morning everybody. Today in this video I am going to explain about the stereochemistry of cyclo addition reactions. Cycloaddition reactions. In this, the two partners are involved. This is the one unsaturated system, one partner, and another unsaturated partner. And these two unsaturated partners, in this cycloaddition reactions, the product is cyclobutane. Product is cyclobutane. This cyclobutane product is formed. In this, what is cycloaddition reaction? Formation of two new sigma bonds. Formation of two new sigma bonds at the terminus of the unsaturated partners in a concerted manner is called a cycloaddition reaction that already we have discussed. In this, the two new sigma bonds are forming. Means in cycloaddition reactions, the four types of additions are possible. One type is supra additions. Supra. And one partner will be supra and antra additions. In cycloadditions, supra type of additions are possible and antra type of additions are possible. Simply we are writing as a supra, this is antra additions. What is mean of supra and antra additions? In cycloaddition reactions, if unsaturated partner, in cycloaddition reactions, if unsaturated partner develops two new sigma bonds on the same phase of the pi system, on the same phase, is called supra additions. That means this is the unsaturated partner AB on this same phase, or maybe top phase or maybe bottom phase. That is, if it is forming the two sigma bonds on the same phase, this is the bottom phase. This is called as a supra partner. This is called as supra partner. The supra partner means if unsaturated system producing or forming two new sigma bonds on the same phase, it may be above top phase or bottom phase. Otherwise, if it is forming the two new sigma bonds on the top phase, it is also supra partner. It is also supra partner. What is the meaning of antra partner? In cycloaddition reaction, if unsaturated partner develops two new sigma bonds on opposite phases is called antra partner. That means AB is the unsaturated partner. If it is developing new sigma bonds on one is top, bottom, and one will be top phase. This is the opposite phases. If it is developed two new sigma bonds, that is called, is acting as an antra partner. Antra partner. The same way is AB. If it is, it may be this is the top and this is the bottom phase. Otherwise, you can write here also. You can write that is the point. One is top and one is bottom. That is what antra type of addition. This is the antra partner. Means supra means if in cycloaddition reactions, if unsaturated partner develops two new sigma bonds on the same phase, it may be bottom phase or it may be top phase. That is a supra partner. And antra partner means in cycloaddition reactions, if that unsaturated partner develops two new sigma bonds on the opposite faces. On the opposite faces, it develops two new sigma bonds. It acts as a andra partner. Okay. Now, and I'm taking the one example. I'm writing the 4 and 5 system. For 4 and 5 system, that is first molecule plus second partner 0. This is what 2 pi 2 pi 2 pi 2 pi. And in this first A, the 4 types of additions are possible. That is, in 4 and 5, first one is 2 pi supra, and second one is 2 pi supra. And the first partner is acting as a supra. Second partner also what? Supra. Means, in this first part, the first partner means supra means same phase. It may form the bonds. It is also supra, same phase. 2 pi supra. And for this molecule, I am writing in orbital picturization. I am giving this double bond. This is the first partner, the second partner. The same I am explaining in the orbital picturization. This is the bonds. For this unsaturated partner, this words I am writing this in the orbital picturization. This is side by side overlapping of this atomic orbital producing the pi bond. That's why I wrote in the form of orbitals. The second partner, this, and first partner is what? Is a supra partner. Second partner also supra partner, because we are doing what? Supra additions. Supra additions. In this, the first partner is acting as a supra means, what is already we have discussed? What is supra additions? Supra additions means if unsaturated partner develops two new sigma bonds on the same phase. Same phase means supra means this is the bonds. Bottom phase lobe is involving. Here also bottom phase lobe is involving. This is the means supra type of additions, because same phase, the same phase lobes are involving in addition. Supra. This partner is acting as now supra addition, because on the same phase it developing the new sigma bonds here. And this partner also acting as a what? Supra. Supra means what? Same phase. It may be bottom phase or top phase. Here what? This is also acting as a supra means on same phase it developing the sigma bonds. Now I am joining these two. Means this first partner is supra. Supra means what? On same phase it develops the sigma bonds. Additions. And here what? This second partner also acting as a supra partner. Means on same phase, maybe bottom or top, but on same phase it is developing the sigma bonds. This is what? Top phase. This is the what? Bottom phase. Once see the first partner, both the lobes are what? On the bottom phase. And here what? The second partner, both the lobes are in the top phase. Means supra partner. Total what? Supra additions. In supra addition, what is the product here now? I am writing the product. Cyclobutane is the product. Okay, and this is the supra additions. And in the case of second one, B type, 2 pi supra, then 2 pi andra additions. 2 pi supra, 2 pi andra. Okay. And here first, the first partner is supra partner. Supra means in the same phase, developing the new bonds. The second partner, this is also acts as an andra. Here, second partner is andra partner. Andra partner means opposite phases developing the sigma bonds. Here, for this same molecule, I am writing the first partner, I am writing the orbital picturization. The second partner also I am writing the orbital picturization. Now, the first partner is what? Supra partner. It is act as supra partner means on same phase it must develop sigma bonds. Same phase. Supra partner. Now, the second partner is acting as a what? Andra partner. Andra partner means opposite phases it develops a sigma bond. Opposite phases means one is top lobe and another is bottom lobe. This in this second partner. Up in opposite phases, it developing the sigma bond. That's why it is acting as a andra partner. Okay, and here it is forming a new sigma bonds on the same phase. Means same lobes are involving. Thus, it is a supra partner. Opposite lobes are involving. It is andra partner. This is okay. The same product is same. First of all, reservoir cyclopentane is the product now. Then second type of supra andra additions. The third type will be C. 2 pi andra, 2 pi supra. Initially supra addition over. This is supra andra. The third one is andra supra addition. In andra supra addition, the first partner is andra partner. Andra means on opposite phases it develops the new sigma bonds. Andra partner, opposite phases. Then second partner is supra partner. Supra partner means on same phase it develops the sigma bonds. Supra partner means on same phases. Now I am writing the same. For this also I am showing the orbital picturization form. The first partner and the second partner. Okay. The first partner is what? Now andra partner. Andra means opposite phases. Opposite phases it forms the bonds. Opposite phases means andra partner. Andra partner develops the sigma bond, new sigma bond on the opposite phases. And here what? The second partner is what? Andra supra addition now. The second partner is supra. Supra means on same phases it develops the bonds. Now I am joining these two. This is the andra supra. Product is what? Same. Product is cyclobutane is the product. Cyclobutane is the product. The next fourth one. Fourth type of addition is andra additions. The fourth D. 2 pi andra plus 2 pi andra. Here both the partners are andra partners. First partner. The andra partner means on opposite phases it will develop the bond. The second partner is also andra partner. Andra partner means opposite phases it develops the sigma bonds. At opposite phases. Here same I am writing the in the form of orbitals. The second partner here is the first partner, the second partner, this is andra partner, this is also andra partner. And andra partner means what? Opposite phases it develops the bonds. Andra partner means opposite lobes are involving here. The second one, this is also andra partner. Andra partner means opposite lobes. Opposite lobes are involving. And here what? This is a andra type of addition. Andra additions. 2 pi. The four types of additions are possible. One is supra additions. Then supra andra additions. Andra supra. And D. Andra additions are possible. Okay. With this, let us take a example for this molecule. For this type of additions, I am taking one example. is 4n by system. This first. I am taking this CH3, CH3. What is the compound? Cis to butene. Cis to butene. This is the first partner plus second partner CH. Same. Cis to butene. I am taking here 2 mole. This is second partner. First of all, we are going to what? First type of addition is what? Supra additions. Supra additions. In this 2 by supra. This is a 2 by partner. The 2 by partner. This is also 2 by partner. 2 by supra. First type of is what? Supra additions. In the first partner is 2 by partner with supra addition. The second partner also 2 by partner and supra type. Supra addition first we are doing here. In supra addition, first of all, what is addition product is what first? Cyclobutane is the addition product. Cyclobutane is the addition product. Okay. These two new sigma bonds are forming between these two. The two new sigma bonds are forming. They are the new sigma bonds. Okay. Now, write the stereochemistry for this substitutions here. Here we have the word CH3. Because this is the word supra partner. Supra partner means CH3. And here what? This is also as a supra partner. H, CH3, H. Okay. In this supra addition of this molecule, we have the another type of orientation. If the first partner is added with the second partner in by changing the orientation of these molecules, we can write this molecule in this way also or not? This is also cis-2-butene. If it is react with this first partner, if another product is forming, first partner is CH3H, CH3H. If this first partner is added with this second partner in this orientation, what is? H will be top and CH3 will be down. H will be top, CH3 will be down. If it is react in this array. Now, in this, what is the relation between this methyl group? Cis orientation. These two are cis. These two are cis. Here, methyl groups are cis. But in this case, whenever we are interchanging the orientation, if we get this same product or different product, we are seeing here. Here what? Now the relation will be what? Cis. But here CH3 will be what? CH3 will be opposite. That means trans orientation. Here CH3 will be cis. CH3 will be here opposite. That means with respect to the sigma bond is a trans. Means here all the 4 C's, this is what? All are in cis orientation. But in the second product, 2 cis and 2 trans. With this, we can conclude what? These two are different products. These two are different products. These different two products are forming. What are those? These two are diastereomers. What are diastereomers? The non-superimposable non-mirror images are what? Non-superimposable non-mirror images are diastereomers. Okay, these two are diastereomers compound. The two different products are forming here. And here. And one conclusion here. In cycloaddition reaction of if supra partner is involved, the stereochemistry of supra partner retained. The stereochemistry of supra partner retained in the geometry of supra partner retained in the product also. Here what? We have a cis. The supra partner is cis compound. In the product also, Is cis or not? Cis. Here also cis. The first partner, there is a supra partner, this is also supra partner. Means the geometry of supra partner retains in the product. The first partner is supra. In all the cases, first partner is supra or not? In this also, first partner is supra or not? Cis or not? Cis. The second partner is supra. In supra addition, the second partner also is cis here. But we are changing the orientation. But it is cis or trans? Cis only. The next, we are taking the second type of additions. Now, second type, supra and tra. First partner is supra, then second partner is and tra. I am changing here. The first partner is supra and second partner is and tra partner. The product is what? Cyclobutane is the product. Now I am writing the substitutions. The first partner is what? Supra partner. Supra partner means what I told? Supra partner geometry retains in the product. Means here what? Cis. And supra means on same place. This is geometry is remain constant or change. That is not changing here. Stabilization. This is supra partner. Now here what? Second partner is andra partner. Andra partner means whose geometry will be altered. For example, I am writing first CH3 H. A andra partner is a cis. Now, in the product, the geometry is changed, altered. That is a what? CH3. So what? Trans. Geometry is altered. Okay. In this case, if we get the, first of all, what is the relation here? C. One cis, trans, here trans, then cis. Two cis and two trans. Whenever we are, I am writing another possibility. CH3, because the first partner is what? Supra partner. Means the geometry of the supra partner is retained in the product. Now, this andra partner. Andra partner means what I am changing here what? I am writing the andra means what? Opposite faces it must develop the sigma bond. I am writing first. Initially I wrote CH3 is the top, H is bottom here, hydrogen is top and CH3 is bottom. Now I am interchanging the position because, for example, this in this orientation, this is what? Opposite orientation. This is andra type. Now I am writing this is the bottom and this is the top orientation I am writing. That means the second bottom I am writing this H. Otherwise, change. This CH3. Sorry. This is the H. CH3. Here what? CH3 H. If another orientation. If it is forming the dot, this is also and or not. Opposite face. Opposite faces it is developing the bond or not. Previously. For this one, this is a cis. This is trans. Same also. Two cis, two trans. Means both the products are same or different? Same products. But in previous supra additions, we are getting what? They are non-superimposable, non-binomial. There is a dash in two different products are formed. But in this case, if we rotate this molecule, we get what? 2C orientation, 2 trans orientation, 2 cis and 2 trans orientation. This is what? Both the products are what? Same products. Both the products are same. That's why no need to write the second product, because once we change the orientation of these methyl groups in the andra addition, but we are getting the same product also. The same products we are getting. That's why no need to write the another product here. In the case of supra andra additions. Supra andra addition. And next go to the third type of C. Third type. Andra supra additions. The first partner is now CH3. The first partner. Second partner is cis compound. This is also cis 2 butene. And now third one is 2 pi andra and 2 pi supra. Means the first partner is andra partner, then second partner is supra partner. Now the product is what? Cyclobutene. And what? The first partner is what? Andra partner. Andra means opposite. CH3 H. The stereochemistry will be changed. The shape. If it is acting as an andra partner, the stereochemistry of reactant will be altered in the product. Here what? The first partner is cis orientation now. In the reactant, if it is acting as an andra partner, the geometry will be altered from cis to trans. Okay. Now here the second partner. Second partner is supra partner. Supra means the geometry will be retains. Geometry retains. Okay. If we write this, the stereochemistry will be retaining. Here what is a trans, cis. Two cis, two trans of same case. If you are writing the another partner, say it is acting as an andra means I am changing the orientation of these molecules. Here H, CH3, then CH3, H. Changing the orientation. Andra partner. It may add in this direction, in this way also now. And this is what? CH3, H. This is supra partner. This is andra partner. Here, this is trans, cis, trans. Same. Two cis, two trans. Means both the products are what? Same products. That's why no need to write the second product because we are getting by changing the orientation also we are getting the same product. That's why only one product is forming here in the case of supra andra supra. But in supra addition, first case supra addition, we are getting the two products. And in supra andra supra we are getting only single products. The next fourth one is two pi andra. Here second partner also is changing to andra. Both the partners are now andra. The product is what? Cyclo. The brain is the product first. And both the partners are andra means whose geometry will be changed. Here what cis? The geometry is changing. Is a trans. Is an andra partner. Here also this is andra partner means geometry will be changes. This is andra partner. Okay. If you are changing this one, I am writing the another product here. By changing the orientation, I am writing this another product by the possibilities. Here, same CH3, H. This is the one andra partner. Now, in the second partner, I am changing the orientation here. This is the H. In place of CH3, I am writing H. Changing the orientation of the substitutions CH3, H. In this case, what is what? Trans, cis. Here what? Trans, then cis. Two cis, two trans. But in this case, trans, and here what? Trans. All are trans. 4 trans. Means these two products are same or different products? Different products. Okay, that's why two different products are forming. These are different products are forming. And these are also non-superimposable, non-mirror images, means diastereomers. Diastereomers are forming. Means In both the cases, in supra-supra, andra-andra additions, two different products are forming. In supra-andra, andra-supra, only one product is forming. And one more point is what? In supra type of additions, the geometry of the reactant does not change in the product. If it is acting as a andra partner, geometry of the changes. Okay, this is about the supra-supra, supra-andra, andra-supra, andra-andra additions of 4 and 5 system, that is 2pi 2pi additions. Then same, go to the 4 and 5 system. Sorry, 4 and plus 2pi system. The 4 and 5 system, 4 and plus 2pi system, what is the first cyclo addition product reactant? The 4pi partner, this one. The 4pi partner, 2 answer, this is the 4pi partner. This is the first partner is 4pi. Then second partner is 2pi partner. This is the 4pi. This is 2pi partner. The product is what? The product is what? Already I discussed this product. The product is cyclo. This is cyclohexene is the product. For this, first A type, 4pi supra 2pi supra. The first I am writing for this one. I am doing the first one, orbital picturization. I am showing in the form of orbital picturizations. This is about 2pi partner. The 4pi, this is a 2pi partner, and this is supra, this is also supra. Supra means, already I told what supra means, on same phase it develops the bonds. This is also supra partner and andra partner. Supra means on same phase it forms the bonds. With this is a supra addition. Next B, this is 2pi supra, 4pi supra, then 2pi andra. Means this is a 4pi partner, this is 2pi partner, this is 4pi supra, this is 2pi andra. And supra means on same phase it forms the bonding, and here andra means opposite phases, on the opposite. This is the andra partner, opposite phases. This is the supra andra type of addition. C, 4pi andra, 2pi supra. And here, this is a 2pi partner, this is 4pi andra, this is 2pi supra. Andra means first partner, andra means on opposite phases. Andra, opposite lobes are involving. This is supra means on same phases, same type of lobes are involving. The fourth one, D, 4pi andra, 2pi also andra. This is 4pi andra, 2pi also andra. Now the first partner is andra partner. Andra means opposite. Andra means opposite lobes are involving. The second partner also andra type of addition. Andra means is opposite lobes are involving. With this addition will be andra additions. In a 4 pi system, there is a 4 pi 2 pi. And here next we are taking the one example of this molecule. The 4 and 5 system. CnH. I am taking the 2 pi partner, the 4 pi partner, and the what? The first type 4 pi supra, then 2 pi supra. Then CH3. So 4 pi 2 pi addition. 4 pi supra and 2 pi supra. What is the product first? Cyclo. Then is the product. And here CnH, because the first partner is what? Supra partner. Supra means the stereochemistry will be reduced. Okay. Next here, the word CH3. CH3H. When the another product is also possible, already we have discussed in the case of 4n plus 2 pi 2 pi. So what? CnH. Now I am changing the orientation here. H CH3 HCH3 with the two different products are formed by the supra addition. Now second type is 4 pi supra 2 pi andra. This is B. Supra andra additions. Now this is a supra partner means this is andra partner. This is supra 4 pi supra, this is 2 pi andra additions. And now the products are this cyclobutane is the product. At the first partner is what? 4 pi partner is a supra partner. Supra partner means CnH. Then second partner is now andra partner. Andra means the geometry will be changes. CH3. This is the product. This is a single product. In the case of third type of C, 4 pi andra 2 pi supra. Now this 4 pi partner is andra partner, 2 pi partner is supra partner. So what? 4 pi andra 2 pi supra. The product is now. What is the product now? First cyclobutane. What is the stereochemistry here? The first partner is what? Andra partner. Andra partner means the geometry will be changes. And here what? Supra partner. Supra means geometry will be retains. This is a single product. In the case of andra supra also. Already we are discussing the case of 2 pi 2 pi additions. The next, the fourth type of addition is 4 pi andra, 2 pi also andra. This is andra partner means 4 pi, the 2 pi also andra part. Now 4 pi andra, 2 pi also andra additions. In this case, the product is cyclobutane. Now explaining the stereochemistry here. Is a what? 4 pi partner is the andra partner means this geometry will be changing, and 2 pi partner also andra. Andra means geometry changes. CH3 H. This is the one product is forming, and another product is the in the andra addition. We have the possibility to produce the two different products. Here what is the CN H H CN, and in this I am changing the orientation here. H CH3, they have CH3 H. These two different products are forming. This is about the 4 pi 2 pi hydro additions